Cheetahs form coalitions in the wild through two primary methods. The first is by birth, where brothers stay together as a unit after leaving their mother. The second way involves unrelated males of similar age banding together, often shortly after becoming independent. While most coalitions consist of brothers, the largest coalitions typically include unrelated males who join forces alongside a brother or two. This dynamic is similar to how lions form coalitions, where strength in numbers offers significant advantages. Male cheetahs that lose their coalition partners, particularly those who were part of a brotherhood, often actively seek out new coalitions to join. This behavior is likely rooted from their experience of relying on others for survival. Similarly, being in a coalition makes them less vulnerable to bullying from other males, especially in regions with the highest cheetah populations. Single males from such regions often struggle to maintain or defend their territories due to the dominance of larger coalitions. This territorial disadvantage renders lone males more nomadic and less likely to breed, as they rely on females passing through their territory for mating opportunities. Without a coalition, such males are left at a significant disadvantage. Furthermore, most males are known for being impatient with females during mating encounters. They lack the luxury of waiting for the female to be receptive, as she might leave their territory before showing interest. This impatience often results in aggressive interactions, where males force females to breed, creating a chaotic and often violent situation. Interestingly, while most cheetahs tend to avoid infanticide, a common behavior amongst other big cats, they show no such restraint when encountering rival males. Fights between males are both violent and loud. If a lone cheetah encounters a coalition, the odds are grim. Even if a lone male survives the encounter, the noise from such fight often attracts predators like lions, leopards, or hyenas. As such, an injured and exhausted cheetah may become an easy prey to other predators. This grim reality underscores the risks of living alone in the wild.